cost. I've been a teacher for the last 8 years, and now I'm making videos to help parents and new teachers learn a new way of doing math so they can teach their students and help their own children with their homework. Let's learn some newfangled math. Today we're going to learn how to add with models. This is really good for those students that need to see what is happening when we add because they're having a difficult time with the abstract concepts of numbers and place value. So the first thing that we need to know is that this is going to represent a 1, this is going to represent a 10, and this is going to represent 100. These correspond with the place value blocks that they use in school as well. So let's take an equation like 56 plus 39. The first thing we need to do is represent our first addend using tens and ones. So I have 5 tens and 6 ones. Then I need to represent my second addend the same way. I like to stack them one on top of the other because I think it makes it a little bit easier when I go to regroup. So I have 3 tens and 9 ones. So I always start with my ones place because I need to know if I'm going to need to regroup. Our numerical system is a base 10 system, so every time we have more than 10 or 10 in one of our place values, we're going to need to regroup to the next place value. So right now I have 15 ones, so I'm going to circle 10 of my ones and move them to the tens place. Now I'm going to look and see how many ones I have left, which I have 5 ones left, and I'm going to write that digit in the ones place. Next, I'm going to count up my tens and see how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I write that digit in the tens place. One thing you need to make sure of is that your child doesn't try to regroup if there aren't 10 ones. I've seen my students do that sometimes. They try to regroup on every problem. Now let's try a problem that has hundreds in it. So we have 234 plus 173. I start the same way. I represent my first addend using this time hundreds, tens, and ones. So I have 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 4 ones. Now I'm going to represent my second addend using hundreds, tens, and ones. And again, I'm going to stack them. Now I'm going to count my ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones, so no need to regroup. I can just write the digit in the ones place. Now I'm going to count up my tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. 10 tens, again, equals 100. So I'm going to circle my tens. Draw my arrow, and draw another 100. I don't have any tens left over, but I still need to put a digit in the tens place to show that it's still there. So I'm going to put a 0 in my tens place. I teach my students that 0 is like a placeholder number. So I tell them it's like when you go to the movies and your friend isn't there yet, you put something in their seat to show that they're coming, but they're not there yet. So 0 is the placeholder number. Now I'm going to count up my hundreds. I have 4 hundreds, so I put a 4 in the hundreds place. So my answer is 407. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe so you get notifications about new videos each time we put one out.